Today, we're going to dive into the world of algebra and explore how to represent inequalities on a number line. This is a super important concept that can help you understand and solve various algebraic problems. So, let's get started. First things first, what is an inequality? In mathematics, an inequality is a statement that compares two values or expressions using inequality symbols. The most common inequality symbols are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. For example, the inequality means that x is any number less than 5, while x can be 2 or any number greater than 2. Now, let's see how we can represent these inequalities on a number line. A number line is a visual way to show the range of values that satisfy an inequality. Let's take the inequality as our first example. To represent this on a number line, follow these steps. Draw a number line. Make sure it includes the number 5 and other relevant numbers around it. Identify the key value. In this case, it's 5. Open circle. Since the inequality is x less than 5, we use an open circle at 5 to show that 5 is not included in the solution. Shade to the right. Shade the part of the number line to the right of 2, indicating that 2 and all numbers greater than 2 are part of the solution. Let's summarize with a few more examples. X greater than -3. Open circle at -3. Shade to the right. Next example. X less than or equal to 4. Closed circle at 4. Shade to the left. Lastly, -1 less than or equal to x. Less than 3. Closed circle at -1. Open circle at 3. Shade between -1 and 3. And there you have it. Now you know how to represent inequalities on a number line. Practice with different inequalities to get the hang of it, and soon you'll be a pro. Thanks for watching, and remember, math is everywhere.